Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can duplicate an object or element on your canvas in the Affinity Designer. So let us get started. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your design project here on Affinity, and there are two ways how you can do this. So option number one, you left click into the object, be it a text box, a shape, an image or whatever, and then you navigate to edit in the top left and choose duplicate. And then you can, for example, choose a layer or a selection. I will go to selection. And as you can see, guys, the layer here to the right in the layers tab has been duplicated. And also you will see the duplicated vision of the given element here on your canvas. So you may left click into it and position the duplicated element and the first or the previous or the original one also, and also navigate between these object layers here. So that's one option. Option number two, you left click into the given object and then press Control C, then Control V. And as you can see, there's the third layer, and now you can move that as well. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.